morning, everyone. I am not showing my face because, if you don't know, which you probably don't, I am very self-conscious about my face. I'm about to go to the dealership with my dad, and we're gonna go check out my car. Well, my potential car. I'm probably not gonna buy a car today, but hopefully by the end of this week. Fingers crossed-rooney. Oh, here's my outfit. It is this shirt in a size small, I believe. I know it looks kind of small, but I'm not sure if that's a style or not. The Gymshark Arc leggings, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, in gray. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's called. I'm just wearing this top, these leggings, and these Uggs.
Cute puppy. Huh? What a cute puppy. Hello.
I just woke up from my nap. I was too tired to wake up, get ready to go to the gym for work, so I'm not wearing no makeup, and hopefully I get out of work early enough so I can get ready for my other job after. So yeah, I'll see you guys at work. Hey everyone, I just finished at the gym and my car went on E halfway getting to the gym. So now I have to go to the gas station, and you guys are gonna witness me going to the gas station. Hopefully my car does not shut off on me. I will be so mad. The gas station is like a minute away. So hopefully my car does not turn off by the time I get to the gas station. Hurry up. So I'm going downhill, so I'm not even gonna press on the gas. Oh my gosh, of course, someone wants to freaking turn. Oh my god. Did not learn my lesson from last time. I should have put gas before I went out last night. Okay, 30 more seconds and I will definitely be at the gas station. Hopefully there's no freaking line. Oh my gosh, there would be a line. This way. Hopefully I can get through. Yes. So now I'm gonna go visit Kevin before I go home and get ready for work real quick and then go to work. Duh. I just got ready for work. Okay, I just got ready for work and I'm about to walk Miss Little Riley right here, and then I'm gonna feed her and then I'm gonna obviously go to work. Oh wait, I need to eat something too. Okay, so I'm gonna walk Riley, feed Riley, and then eat something and then go to work. So I have 30 minutes to do all that. So see you guys later. Hopefully this day goes by, well, this shift goes by fast. This 8-hour shift goes by fast, but yeah. Did you guys miss my face? Because I haven't been showing it lately, but now I am, because look at that highlight. See you when I see you. Let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for just got home from work and I am so not sure if I'm tired or not. I don't know if I should just stay up and like take a nap after I go to gym or what, but I hope you guys like this short vlog today. Nothing really eventful besides the fact that I got to drive my dream car. It's been my dream car for like a million years now, and I don't think I said it earlier, but I did drive it for like 10 minutes on the road. It was so nice, and I'm actually so happy, and I wish I could get that car. So always having my fingers crossed for that, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.